So you got one of the Bose QuiteComfort series of headphones and you are looking to replace the ear pads or ear cushions, whatever you want to call it. This video will get you back to listening to your favorite tunes or podcasts and tune outs in no time. I have the Bose QC aka QuiteComfort 35.2s, but this guide is applicable for all the QC series of 2, 25, 35 and 45 models. So let's get on with it. First up, order the replacement pads from Amazon or whatever source you have available. But I'm assuming you've already done that. Now take your Bose headset and get a feel for the plastic lip under the top of the ear cups and gently give it a pull, making sure you're pulling on the plastic and not the foamy part. If it's the first time you're doing this process, then it will be a little tighter than say my headset, which is on their third pair of ear pads, and it's very easy to take them out. Now your new ear pad should come with a replacement cloth piece that covers the part that makes contact with your outer ear, and you can replace it by just peeling it off and put the new one in by taking the glue strips off and just pasting it back. If you're confused about which ones are the left or right, the side with the power button is right side. Now here's the tricky part. Get your new pads in by pressing them in until you hear that satisfying click. That last few bits will be harder to get than the others, so be a little gentle and persistent to get that in. If it feels like you're putting too much pressure, you can restart the process and try to finish at a different spot than last time. Simple as that. Enjoy the comfort like you just got a new pair of headphones now, once you're done. Yeah, these sound way more comfortable now. And it only costs a few bucks, so you should go for it. Anyway guys, if you have a question or a video suggestion, drop it in the comments down below and let me know how your replacement of the ear pads went. Also, smash that like button if this video helped you. Consider subscribing and dinging that notification bell. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.